Hi, let's create a new part in CATIA v5. There are three ways that you can use to create a new part in Partisan Workbench after opening CATIA v5. The first one is to go into Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design, and then you can enter part name, for example, Part 1, let's keep it default, and click OK. And this takes you into Partisan Workbench and you are ready to create your part. The second option is to go into File, New, and a dialog window pops up in the bottom right corner. You can scroll down to find Part. Click on it, click OK, and the same dialog window as before appears. Again, I can keep this default, click OK, and I'm now in Partisan Workbench. The third option is to go down here and click on New. Again, you need to scroll down to find Part, click on it, click OK, and you've got the same dialog window in the bottom right corner. Now, if you can't see this group of icons, all you need to do is right-click in here and make sure that Standard is enabled. If you disable it, it disappears. You can right-click and enable to see these icons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.